okubeera mu U.P.R.S. Ekibuuzo kiri nti Bishop Kiganda, who was against U.P.R.S, abeera mu inbox yange ng'aŋŋamba kintu kimu, mwafunayo ki? Oba kitegeera nze gwolaba wano ndi mu kuswala ati nze nsaba mutuwe oba nusu nkumi oba mmeka mbalabe wali nga musasula bannamawulire nga mubawa ssente nga basimbirayo mbagayo wali mu kisiisira temutuwadde mu mmere nze emmere sigiridde twagala ssente ezivudde mu muziki gwaffe ameka bagamba batuwe ssente leero mutuwe ssente zaffe U.P.R.S tugiwagire kozi kyakoma Hanson Vice President Kayogere.
Okay, thank you. Attention. He ran away. We will. If we allow us to finish this one, thank you.
Our money, right? Then it's a lot of money. We've never received money from you guys. What, for how many years? Yes. Actually, this is our first time to receive money, and you're just throwing your name there and saying, let's appoint this person right now. We cannot do that right now. When we do our own research, then we'll give you an answer in a week or so and say, you know what, because the last person you gave us didn't do a good job and we did not appoint this person. You know, Barbara was here and I was here and we didn't appoint this person. So we need time. If you tell us right now, you will throw a name of your birthday and we don't know who that person is. You understand? So we need time. And I want you to understand our frustration as artists. We are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Because we're making decisions with you guys who have not done anything for us in the last 10 years. Chiba kizibu nnyo okuba nti twagala bawagira tetwagala kulwana naye banaye mutuweyo akawogo kamu bwe kati tetugenda You understand? I want one thing that U.P.R.S has done. That I will say when you're working with them because of this thing. But I don't have that one thing. I don't want to get here and shout with you guys. So please, I need you to understand why we are emotional. It's not because we want to argue with you. Because you're the only CMO.